So, welcome to DuceCRM, the smart and simple way to manage your customer relationships. In this quick walkthrough, we'll get you up and running on how to log into the DuceCRM website. So, if you are new to DuceCRM, getting started is very easy. So, you head over to the sign up page here and click on sign in, sign up over here, put your name and your email address, also your password. Then you click on create account. Then you go over to your email address to confirm your sign up. Go here, you verify your email. So over here is where you get to the onboarding screen. Here you set up your business or your company. Choose up your business name, whatever industry you are into, your business website, your phone number, and you click on create business. Then you tell them about your business, your team size, your primary goal. Then you go to the dashboard. This is how you log into the CRM website.